Good morning, students. I, Vijaya, your teacher of English, welcome you all to Rishikul Online School. I am going to discuss with you all model test paper for the month of October. Today, I am going to discuss module 1, that is reading section. So come on, let's continue. Here are general instructions for the paper. English language and literature. Time allowed 3 hours. This paper is divided into two parts, A and B. All questions are compulsory. Separate instructions are given with each section and question wherever necessary. Read these instructions very carefully and follow them. Do not exceed the prescribed word limit while attempting or answering the questions. So, this is your question number 1, which is reading passage. A chimpanzee is one of the great apes and nearest in intelligence to the man. So, you are to read this passage twice or thrice. This is the second part of reading passage. You are to understand it and read it carefully twice or thrice. Try to comprehend each and everything given in the passage very carefully so that you may be able to answer the questions. Here are the multiple choice questions. Chimpanzees are as dash as men, and the answer is intelligent. Second is chimpanzees greet each other by dash each other, and the answer is touching. Third question is like man, chimpanzees are, and the answer is both tool users and tool makers. D question is chimpanzees dash tails, and the answer is no tail. So these are 3 MCQ based questions. Here are given rest of the question because there you will get at least 10 questions and you are to answer the questions by choosing the most appropriate answer. And in this slide they are given question E, F, G and H, and all answers are given in bold. So read the questions carefully and write the answers. Question number 9. The opposite of the word pick off is, and the answer is dismiss. Next question is the word horse means, and the answer is rough. Here is given question number 2, and read the passage carefully and answer the given questions. One day I hopped in a taxi. So you are to read this passage very carefully. Try to know each and every word correctly. This is the second part of the passage of question number 2. Here are the MCQ question. The narrator boarded a taxi, and the answer is for airport. Question 2 is how did the taxi driver avoid an accident, and the answer is slammed on his brakes. Question number 3 is to what did he compare the yelling driver, and the answer is to a garbage truck. The term garbage in the context of passage means full of frustration. So this is your first part of the reading passage. Narrator learnt an invaluable lesson from the taxi driver, and the lesson he learnt was one must love the people who treat us right. Next is give words from the passage that means the same as to move briskly, and the answer is whipped. Next question, give words from the passage that means the same as feeling of defeat. And the answer is frustration. Next question is opposite of joyful. And the answer is gloomy. Next is synonym of whipped. And the answer is obedient. Opposite of suddenly. And the answer is quickly. So, this is all for today. We will meet soon in our next part of this model test paper. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.